Leetcode weekly context for 94. Question number 1. Construct uniform parity array number 1. This is an easy problem, and this question is asking us to check if it is possible to create a new array with either all odd or even. This looks a very easy problem because I couldn't think of any case that it is impossible to create a new array with all odd or even numbers. That's why this gonna be the most easy question in the history ever happened. So the solution is easy, just one line of code.